Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Bismillah.
My question was, Uthman ibn Affan wanted to unify all the copies of the Quran, so he burned all of them. And then he guided the Huffaz to completely make a new Quran. So what's your perspective on this?
What is your perspective on this? Do you believe that the Quran we have is the word of Allah?
Yeah.
Then why are you asking this question, Akhi?
Sheikh, this question has been asked by many Christians to
Who cares what they ask, ya Akhi? Are you in doubt of your religion? A Christian who claims that Allah has a son and has a wife. A Christian who claims that it is 3 in 1, heads and shoulder. A Christian who claims that God was crucified and was tortured and died for 3 days and 3 nights. When they say about your religion, you don't have any iman to just shrug your shoulders and move on. Be a real Muslim. When dogs bark at you on the streets, would you fall down on your hands and knees and bark back? Of course not, because you're not a dog. So who cares, ya akhi, what they say? Believe in the Quran that you read and memorize, and all the Muslims, 2 billion of them, agree that this is the revelation of Allah, and that it was not changed, not even a single letter for the past 15 centuries, and it is still in the same language that it was revealed in, spoken by not less than 400 million Arabs and non-Arabs, and then they understand what is said. Tell these Christians, show me one book that you guys agree upon, whether it's a Douay version or the King James version or the Standard Revised version. They don't have manuscripts from Aramaic to Hebrew to Latin to English. They don't have an original copy. They don't agree on any copy. What kind of a religion they believe? And then when they say something about your religion that is false proof, your religion that cannot accept anything wrong in it because it's the perfect religion, you come and have your doubts. Come on, ya akhi, man up.